Hey, this is Mr. Barre, and this is Solving Equations, Find the Number of Solutions. So, if all the variables cancel out, so if we have an equation and all the variables cancel, that means one of two things. If it's the exact same equation on both sides, if everything's the same on both sides of this, then I know I have infinite solutions. This is also called an identity. And that's because we get down to something like 8 equals 8 or 0 equals 0. If I equal myself, that is my identity. If the two sides of the equation are not equal, so they're different, that's going to be no solution. If the variables do not cancel, then I'm going to have one solution. So let's look at how this works. Notice that I have a negative 7y here and a negative 5y there. Are those variables going to cancel out? They're not, which means there's one solution. I could actually solve this thing. Let's solve it. So I'm going to add 5y to both sides. That's going to be negative 2y minus 6 equals 0. Negative 2y equals 6. Y equals negative 3. There's the solution. It's one solution. I didn't have to do all that work, though, because I just noticed, hey, these y's are not going to go away. They would have to totally cancel out. Everything would have to go, all the y's would have to go away. But they don't, which means there's one solution. How many solutions does this one have? Well, I have negative 5n's here and negative 5n's here. They're gone. I'm left with 0 equals 0. Notice up here, same, equals infinite. This means there are infinite solutions. What does that mean? It means you can put any number in here for n, and this equation is going to work. Plug in any number for n, and it's going to work. So I have one solution, infinite solutions. My hypothesis is the next one's going to be a no solution. Let's see. 9m on this side, 9m on that side. They're gone, and I'm left with negative 2 equals 0. Going back here, if they're different, if they do not equal each other, what does that mean? Right there. If they're different, no solution. Let's see, negative 8j, so those guys are gone. So that's negative 10 equals 0. This is no solution, but that's not the question. The question is this an identity? Well, is no solution an identity? No, it's the same. The infinite solution is the identity. So is this an identity? No. Infinites are called identities. So this one, that's just a vocabulary type of problem. Is this one an identity? Negative 14.3c, negative 14.3c, so those are going to cancel out. And I'm left with 9.01 equals 15.88. Is that an identity? No. Is this an identity? Yes. Is this an identity? No. Is this an identity? Yes. Identities are infinite solutions. It's when both sides equal each other. Infinite solutions, identity, same thing. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my wonderful video. And remember to subscribe on the link below. Okay, I don't know. Dude. You don't know. It's like, it's morning. Okay, have a great day. Bye.